Hi student, let's try to understand electrolytic decomposition reaction, that is called electrolysis. Experiment to illustrate decomposition by electrical energy. Electrolysis of water. Take a plastic mug with the help of the drilling machine. Make two holes at the base of the mug. Fit two rubber stoppers in these holes. These rubber stoppers are fitted with the carbon electrode. Connect the electrodes to a 6-volt battery as shown in figure 1.10. Fill the mug with water to nearly half of its capacity. Add few drops of sulfuric acid to make water a good conductor of electricity. Fill the graduated test tube with the water and invert them over the electrode so that they are open end partially covered and electrodes are shown. This whole management is called voltmeter. This whole management is called voltmeter and apparatus for carrying out the electrolysis. Now switch on the battery. It is observed that bubbles of gases start rising from both the electrodes and the level of the water in the two test tubes start falling. Allow it to run till sufficient amount of gases have been collected in the two test tubes. Now switch off the battery. The following results are observed. In the test tube covering the cathode, the amount of gas collected is double that the amount of gas collected in the test tube covering the anode. On testing the gases, the gas in the test tube covering the cathode is found to be hydrogen. Combining gas test by the bringing a burning matchstick, and it is the test tube covering the anode. It is found to be oxygen. Supporter of the combustion test by bringing a lighted candle. The above experiment shows that the supplying electrical energy, water decomposes into hydrogen and oxygen according to reaction. So 2H2O, it will converting into H2 plus O2. Next one, some more example of decomposition reaction of electrical energy. Electrolytic decomposition of molten sodium chloride. On passing electric current through the molten sodium chloride, it decomposes to give sodium metal and chlorine gas 2NaCl. It is going to give N2Na plus Cl2. This reaction is used to obtain sodium metal on large scale. Chlorine gas is obtained as a byproduct. Electrolytic decomposition of molten aluminum oxide. On passing electric current through molten alumina, it decomposes to give aluminum metal and oxygen. So Al2O3, it will give 4Al and O2. The reaction is used for the extraction of aluminum metal. So this is what student electrolytic decomposition reaction.